Hey there planners, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi. You guys, hot happy mail off the press, okay? I just received this box from OKY Plans. As you guys know, or maybe you don't, I do PR for OKY, and I'll leave you my code here for 15% off. And let's open this up. Okay, so now this is a very special box because the items that you're gonna see here are gonna be part of her anniversary box. Now, the box is not on sale yet, and this is just a preview, okay, of some things that are gonna be there. This is not the whole box because she, this is a PR box, basically, just to preview some of the items, all right? So let's take a look. Sorry about that noise. Oh my goodness. Look at this cutie, oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh my, I know everything's gonna be so stinking cute. Okay, let's see. Let's take this bundle out of the box. And there you go. Okay, you guys, before I forget, let me give you a couple of pointers here. Important dates that you need to remember if you want to get that box. All right, so the OKY Plans anniversary box, which is gonna contain some of the items that I just showed you, is going on sale on October 6th, 2023, okay? And also on that day, that's a Friday, October 6th, OKY is gonna have a giveaway. I'm not sure if she's gonna have that here on YouTube, but I know for sure you'll get all of the information that you need on Instagram, okay? Another thing, if you would like to see a complete sneak peek of the box, OKY is gonna have that in her vlog for this week. I'm pretty sure her vlog comes out on Wednesdays, and the box is very limited. She only has a certain amount of boxes per little, okay, because she has different littles with different hair and skin tone, right? So if you want to get the little of your choice, you need to go on her website on October 6th. And if you want more information, follow her on Instagram, OKY Plans on Instagram, or here on YouTube, and I'll leave you the link below. All right, friends, back to the video. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm not gonna rip this sticker because I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna laminate it. So we're just gonna, oh no, I know what that is. I know what this is. Yep. Okay, so out of the items that are gonna be in that anniversary box, the one item that I want the most is the tote. So here it is, you guys. Oh my gosh. So let's open it up. Open it up, open it up. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So precious. Look at this cutie. So this is a black canvas tote with, let me make sure that you can see, yeah, with I'm guessing this is Sophia. Yeah, this must be Sophia in a Hello Kitty custom, a hoodie. Oh my gosh, it looks like a little dress. I'm not sure if it's a hoodie or a dress, and she has the Hello Kitty hoodie. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So cute. And I'm actually starting my new job tomorrow, you guys. Oh my gosh. And I will be using this. So this tote is big enough. Let me look for my planner. Hold on one second. So let me just give you an idea of what would fit in this tote. I have the Hobonichi cousin here, and I also have a 7x9 Erin Condren notebook, okay? But the planner is the same size, it's just with more pages, you know. This is a notebook, okay. Oh yeah, so I can carry 2 planners. I can carry a little notebook. My bottle of water would fit here, my wallet. Oh yeah, there's plenty of room. And also my makeup my makeup pouch. Awesome. This is a very thick canvas, okay? I think my lunch is gonna fit there too. Okay. I'm so excited for this tote. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Super cute. Super, super cute. Okay. So moving to the next items. We have a notepad. Oh my gosh. She's so cute, cute, cute. Look at this. I'm not sure exactly how many pages we have here, but we have a lot. I'm thinking maybe, what, 40, 50 maybe? I'm not sure, but it's a lot. That's beautiful. Oh, let's see this one. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is so cute. This is so cute. We have a folder, and look at the balloons. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. And some stickies. Ah. Okay, let me show you this. So we have some deco, and this is Sophia with the Hello Kitty doll and the balloons. Oh my gosh, this is for Oki's birthday, so this would be available in a couple of days, I think. I'll leave you more information below, okay? And here is another, oh, is this a sticker? Yeah, sticker. And then we have the October freebie. This is the freebie with the code. So you just use Make Up Your Plan 15 and you'll get this freebie, okay? This bow's super cute. I'm not gonna show you that other code because it's not mine, but look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is a weekly, and I wonder if Oki's gonna have vellum to match. Because what I've been doing lately, you guys, is that I purchased the weekly, which is this right here, the deco sheet and the vellum, and then I'll add it to my cousin. I'm gonna show you one, or my latest one, I guess. Yeah, here it is. So this is what I've been doing. I do the deco, the weekly, and the vellum. And I'm loving this this setup for my Hobonichi cousin. All right, so we have the weekly here, the freebies, the deco, and this super cute folder. And this is for her birthday. Now this one, oh my gosh. She's just going all out, all out. Okay, so we have the keychain. Oh my gosh. She is so adorable. Her eyes are so cute with the pink bow. Oh, wait. Wait, let me see. Is this hollow? Yes. So this side has a hollow overlay, and this one is just a regular. Okay, awesome. Then you have the clip. So pretty. This is rose gold. Oh, okay, so now we have some sticky notes. They're posted, and they have the little, oh my gosh, so cute. I love this pink. Love everything pink. Oh, the stamp. Oh my gosh. So I have, where are they? One of my first purchases from OKY Plans was this stamp right here. It's so pretty, and that's how I started purchasing. I mean, I purchased that with other things, you know, but this is so beautiful. And it has the overlay also, the hollow. Her face is so cute. Awesome. Okay, here's the thank you card. And actually you can punch this and put it in your planner as well, or make this into a little pocket if you have a laminating machine. I love this bow. This bow is so cute. All of it. Oh my gosh. All right, you guys, so this is just a sneak peek of what's to come. OKY's gonna have new releases. I'll let you know. If you follow me on Instagram, I'll put it on Instagram, and maybe I'll post it here too if I can. But yeah, I just wanted to show you a little bit of what's to come. Okay, so if you like cute things, if you like pink, OKY Plans is the shop for you, and I'll leave you the information below. Okay, one more time, make up your plan 15, you save 15%, and you get the cute freebie. Let me find it. There it is. That's the freebie. The color is so pretty. I mean, just look at the kit. Oh my gosh. Oh, I want more of that washi. Look at that washi. Oh. All right, friends. So that is today's video. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. I have to go, but I'll see you soon. All right, friends. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Like always, I will see you on the next one. Bye.